Welcome to English Biography. Today, we will explore the fascinating life of Cleopatra, the last queen of ancient Egypt. Known for her intelligence, beauty, and powerful leadership, Cleopatra ruled a great kingdom during challenging times. Join us as we learn about her story, her alliances with Rome, and how she changed history forever. Let's begin. Cleopatra was born in 69 BC in Alexandria, the capital of Egypt. She was a member of the Ptolemaic dynasty, a family of Greek origin that ruled Egypt after the death of Alexander the Great. Cleopatra was known for her intelligence, charm, and strong leadership. From an early age, she learned many languages, including Egyptian, Greek, and Latin. This skill helped her talk to people from different countries and build alliances. When Cleopatra was about 18 years old, she became the Queen of Egypt. She ruled with her younger brother Ptolemy XIII, but they had many conflicts. Cleopatra wanted to have full control of the throne. During this time, Egypt was wealthy because of its fertile land and trade, but it was also in danger from the expanding Roman Empire. Rome was becoming very powerful, and many people in Egypt worried about losing their independence. To protect her kingdom and strengthen her position, Cleopatra made a famous alliance with Julius Caesar, the leader of Rome. She met Caesar in 48 BC. According to stories, she famously had herself smuggled into Caesar's palace wrapped in a carpet to meet him. This meeting led to a political and romantic relationship. With Caesar's help, Cleopatra won her fight for the throne and ruled Egypt as the sole queen. Cleopatra and Julius Caesar had a son named Caesarion. After Caesar was assassinated in 44 BC, Cleopatra returned to Egypt to continue ruling. However, the political situation in Rome was very dangerous, and a new leader, Mark Antony, became important. Cleopatra formed an alliance and a relationship with Mark Antony. Together, they hoped to protect Egypt from their enemies in Rome. Mark Antony and Cleopatra's relationship was both political and personal. They had 3 children together and worked to build a strong alliance. However, their partnership caused conflict with Octavian, Caesar's adopted son and the future Emperor Augustus. Octavian wanted to control Rome and its territories, including Egypt. In 31 BC, Octavian's forces defeated Mark Antony and Cleopatra's army at the Battle of Actium. After their defeat, Mark Antony and Cleopatra fled back to Egypt. Facing the loss of power and fearing capture by Octavian, Cleopatra made a tragic decision. She died in 30 BC, believed to be by the bite of a poisonous asp, a type of snake. Cleopatra's death marked the end of the Ptolemaic rule in Egypt. Egypt became a province of the Roman Empire, losing its independence. But Cleopatra's story did not end with her death. She remains one of the most famous women in history, remembered for her intelligence, political skill, and determination. She was more than just a beautiful queen. Cleopatra was a powerful leader who fought to protect her country during difficult times. Her life has inspired many books, movies, and stories around the world. Cleopatra's legacy shows us the strength and courage of a woman who made a mark on history. Thank you for watching this detailed story of Cleopatra. If you enjoyed it, please like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting biographies in simple English.